I've been exploring the Domino's Pizza app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Domino's Pizza app. So first off, let's talk about what the Domino's app is all about. In short, it's made to make pizza ordering easy. Whether you want pickup, delivery, or even just to quickly reorder your favorites, the app lets you build your pizza exactly how you like it or choose from Domino's specialty menu options. You can also explore the rest of their lineup, like wings, pastas, oven-baked sandwiches, desserts, and sides. One of the app's standout features is the Domino's tracker, which has honestly become one of their trademarks. It lets you follow your order step by step, from the moment it's placed to when it's being prepped, baked, and finally on its way to your door. It sounds small, but trust me, tracking your pizza in real time somehow makes the wait more satisfying. Then there's Domino's Rewards. Every 2 qualifying orders earn you a free menu item, which is actually a pretty decent loyalty structure. It encourages repeat use, and you don't have to spend a fortune just to get something free. Convenience-wise, the app earns points across the board. You can pay however you prefer: cash, card, or gift card. You can also create an easy order, which saves your go-to pizza and store location for one-tap reorders. If you've got an Apple Watch, you can even place or track orders from your wrist, which is a cool bonus for tech enthusiasts. But no app is perfect, and this one has its drawbacks too. Some users have reported that occasional bugs can interrupt the ordering experience. There have been times where the app logs people out unexpectedly or requires re-login more often than necessary. Minor, yes, but still frustrating when you're just trying to get dinner ordered quickly. A few people also mentioned sporadic glitches that force them to rebuild their order from scratch if the app suddenly freezes or crashes. The user interface is pretty clean overall though, not flashy, but functional. It's easy enough for anyone to navigate, and you can clearly see deals and coupons as you browse the menu, which I think is a nice touch. Performance-wise, the app runs smoothly most of the time, and the latest version claims to have fixed several bugs to make the ordering process more reliable. And given that it has over 5 million ratings with an average score of 4.8 out of 5 on the App Store, it's safe to say most customers are happy with it. To sum it up, the Domino's Pizza app does what it promises. It makes ordering, tracking, and earning rewards extremely simple. If you're a frequent Domino's customer, the convenience it offers is absolutely worth it. That said, the occasional sign-in issues and order glitches are real downsides, though they don't usually ruin the overall experience. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.